So this is our simplified Hillsong patch, because if you really want to copy the Hillsong or worship patch, I think you need to buy a more expensive multi-effects pedal, or you need to invest on an individual stump box, because there's loads of adjusting that you need to do. Like from reverb, they got this subtle reverb up to the extreme reverb that they put. So you need like 3 settings for your reverb, and then you need overdrive from subtle to a heavy drive or distortion, so 3 of those as well. So you need to sort of tweak or keep changing patches as you go along with the song, but we'll make it simple. So this is what I did. I just put tape echo. You need the delay, and the settings or parameters is time 607, feedback 40, mix 70, high DMP5, level 100, tail off. Then I added the Vox combo. So the Vox combo is our amp simulation for Vox. And then I put the gain to 35, tube 30, level 100, treble 44, mid 50, bass 49, presence 53, cab, Vox combo 2x12, and output line. And then the last bit that I put is a reverb. I put an Arena Reverb. I just added it. I didn't tweak anything, but the values are here. 15 for the decay, 7 for tone, mix 56, pred 90, level 100, tail off. That's all you need to have. And then you need to fiddle with your volume control of the guitar. For a cleaner sound, draw back your volume like 3 or 4. And then for a heavy drive, just max out your volume from your guitar. Switch between pickups. A nice warm sound would be your neck, and then if you want a crunchier sound, go for your bridge. Okay, so I hope this one helps. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe. See you soon. Bye.